Hey there. So in this video, we're going to be discussing how to email um, POs out of Brahmin. Okay. So first thing is I can actually do it in two ways. One is more of a manual process where you can download a PDF and then send it out to your supplier in a separate, in your own email format from your own email account, right? Or you can actually just do it right through Brahmin. So what I could do is I'm going to pull up a PO. This is for the headphone boxes, 500. I also have the vendor SKU. And what I could do is I can print out the PO. Here is the PO, right? So I can print it out, or download it essentially, and then send a separate email through, let's say, Gmail or through Microsoft. All right. So that's one way. The other way is I can actually click this email button here, and it's going to pre-populate the person, the contact that I want to email, right? That's all set up on the vendor side. And then the message. Again, this message can be configured in the settings, email, and then pulling up your purchase order. Here is my default message that I've kind of set up. All right. So inside that, I have that. I can actually go ahead and email. So I can go ahead, click this, and then email your vendor. Okay. So I can make changes. The subject is pre-populated. It's going to have your account name, right? It's going to have the company name essentially, and then the purchase order number. All right. So here, what I could do is I can just email this to myself for an example. All right. And I can then click send mail. Okay. Once the email is sent out, it's going to say email sent successfully. And a way to verify that the email has been sent out, you can actually CC yourself. So anytime you send out an email, you also get the copy of it. And the other thing is you can also click on memos. And memos is going to tell you exactly when the email was sent out. So I actually sent out the email twice. So I sent it out at 3:01 and then I sent it out again at 3:04. Okay. So it's two separate emails. Here I already have the email pulled up. So you'll see I have two different emails. It has a message and has the PDF document. So this is the one I just sent right now. Okay. So that's how you send emails to your suppliers. And when they reply back, that's the other thing too. When they reply back, the reply to is going to be based off of what the user email is. So for this specific user, I have my email as brahmmecca@gmail.com. So essentially, it's going to reply back to that email. So the reply is set to that. So if they click a reply here, it's automatically going to pre-populate it to brahmmecca@gmail.com. And then you'll see that the email is kind of being sent out from no reply at brahmin-solutions.com. And if you want to use your own email server, essentially, or your own email domain, just reach out to us. We'll show you how to set that up. Okay. Yeah. So if you have any questions and you want to learn more on the purchase order process, there's more videos that are there, so you can check them out. And if you have any questions specifically on emailing POs, let us know. Thank you.